Wow, wow. I came out to check my mushroom tree, and I can see it from here. Can you see it? Can you see it? I am amazed. The other lion's mane that I got was a little overdue. So I brought it out to the animals. But this friggin' one, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy crapola. Would you look at that one? Wow. Those are flipping amazing. And look, there's some other weird thing growing on here I haven't seen before. Oh my gosh! Would you look at that? Like, wow. I guess the mushroom tree produced a lot of mushrooms this year. Holy moly. I'm going to take some of these and cook them up. I just have to. All right. Have a good day. Gotta go.